How to change Gmail profile picture. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can change profile picture on your Gmail account. It's a very easy and simple process. To learn it, you have to watch this video till the very end. So you have to open up your Gmail app. If you don't have this Gmail app on your mobile, then go to Play Store and search Gmail and then install this app on your mobile. After installing this app on your mobile, then open your Gmail app. After opening your Gmail app, then you have to sign in your Gmail account. Then at the top right side you will get your profile picture, so tap on here. And now here you will get manage your Google account, so tap on here. And then you will get interface like that. Now at the top you will get your profile picture, I mean your Gmail account's profile picture. You have to tap on this. Now at the bottom you will get change and remove, so tap on change. And now at the top you will get device photos, so tap on here. And now tap on browse or take a photo, and then tap on media picker, and now select the picture as you like. And now you can adjust your photo as you like. Then tap on next, then tap on save as profile picture and wait a while. And now go back, and here you can see that my Gmail profile picture has been changed. So following this simple process, you can also change your Gmail profile picture. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.